Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new sketch video, and today, we're going to be attempting to recreate my own version of Microsoft Paint. If you don't know what Microsoft Paint is, it's literally exactly what it says. Let me just pull it up for you. Actually, in the Microsoft, it's just called Paint, but it's Microsoft Paint, not Paint.net. Nope, do not open. Please don't open Paint.net. Okay, so this is Paint. It's got the pixel sizer. It's got a bunch of brushes, a color picker, and multiple other things that I'm going to be recreating. Now, this is going to be difficult, but I do know that it's possible, and I'm not worried about it. So, don't save this, please. Okay, but anyways, let's just go ahead and name our project Microsoft Painto. No, actually, I don't want that. I just want Microsoft Paint, please. That'd be nice. Okay, but yeah. So once I am completed with this, which hopefully we'll complete it in this episode, in this video, not episode. What am I talking about? But I'm going to do most of the features, like the simple features that are usually in every single paint thing, like every single software that you paint and stuff on. But anyways, the first thing that we do need to do is go ahead and go into full screen mode, because reasons. Delete our sprite. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is create a sprite. Okay, so it's going to be 4 pixels maximum. So now we have that. What we're going to be doing is, like I said, making a clone. This is going to be just called mouse, because that's what it is. Now this, sadly, this probably won't be able to work on a mobile device. But if you guys do want me to try and do some, like once I release this video, if you guys want me to try and re-edit it and make it possible to be used on a mobile device, that'd be nice, because I do want to do that, but I don't know exactly how I want to do that. So, but anyways, in this video, I'm not going to worry about doing it on a mobile device. This is just going to be me trying to figure it out for a regular device. But, not a regular device, a PC. Slash laptop, whatever. But anyways, first thing I want to do is I'm going to quickly create a script where it follows follows your mouse, and yeah, so, I'm also going to do, I do need to install the pen tool for this, forgot to do that. But I'm also going to set up basic print stuff to where, like, you hold down, it paints and stuff. So, yeah, I'm going to quickly do that. Okay, so we should have the script working, and it should, yep, it is working, but it's a little bit small. Don't exactly know how many pixels this is. Probably I don't really know exactly. But anyways, we're going to deal with that. So, the way that I'm going to do the pixels and stuff is I do kind of want to do like a grid-based system. Okay, guys, so I've decided we're going to delete the grid snapping. We're not going to use the grid snapping, just because it causes a lot of things. But we do want to do when Devlog clicked erase all, because reasons. And I think this is a pretty decent size for what the pen tool will start off as. And this pen size is 8, which is a pretty decent size. But if you guys do know about any paint thing, it has a color changing ability. So I'm going to quickly do that. Okay, guys, so I finally made this thing work. It will now display what color you are, and I've also gotten the RGB. Hold on, let's just RGB. But anyways, you can change these colors, get the color that you precisely want. And I did use a griff patch tutorial for this, not gonna lie. But it will work, so that's good. But yeah, now what I want to do is move the sprite to a different position, whatever. The way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to do like another sprite that'll show up. Alrighty, so now I've made it to where you can only change if the space key is pressed. You still have to hold the space key, but that's, I'll maybe change that later. But we also want to move this to where this goes to a certain spot. Okay, so I've done that. So now we'll show the current color. Now the current color will actually be blocked while the current color will be blocked while this is up. Maybe I'll change that later, but for right now, it's okay. We're good. We don't have to change anything. So now we have the color that you can do and painting. What's something else that we can add? The answer is a color picker. I don't know how to make a color picker. So it's Griffpatch tutorial time, because I'm pretty sure you guys want on a color picker for Scratch, so that we can set the pin color to that color. Hooray! But before we do that, I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do, and let's do a square block, to where if you press it, it'll make a square and stuff. But actually, before we do that, we do need to actually, we want to be able to change the size of the pin, obviously, because otherwise you'll have to be stuck with this size. So yep, so I'm gonna quickly make everything that I need for that, and I'll make that, and I'll see you guys here in a second. Okay, so like I said, I got the size done, or did I say that I got the size done? I don't remember. But the problem that I'm having now is it doing this, painting on that. And I can't turn this part into a sprite because otherwise this color thingy won't show up. So I'm trying to figure out the exact why of the bottom of this part of the thing.